Welcome back. In this video, we are focusing on how to create a meditation environment that enhances comfort, focus, and relaxation. By considering elements like attire, lighting, and room temperature, you can support a peaceful, undisturbed meditation experience. Dress for comfort. Choose loose-fitting clothing that allows your body to relax fully. Natural fabrics like cotton or linen are great because they are breathable and soft on the skin. Avoid tight clothing and accessories that may cause discomfort, allowing your body to settle naturally. Pants with an elastic waistband and a comfortable t-shirt are great choices. Adjust lighting. Lighting plays a significant role in creating a calming space. Soft, dim lighting can help promote relaxation. If natural light is available, consider using it, but ensure it is not too bright or glaring. Avoid fluorescent or harsh lights as they may distract you. Manage temperature. The room temperature can impact your comfort. If it is cool, use a blanket or wear warm socks. If it's warm, opt for breathable clothing and keep the air flowing with a fan or open window. Finding the right balance helps you stay comfortable and focused on your meditation. Minimizing noise and distractions. A quiet environment supports your focus. Turn off notifications, close windows if there is noise outside, and let others know you need quiet time. If external noise is unavoidable, you can play gentle instrumental music at a low volume. This creates a soothing background and helps you maintain focus. Conclusion. Creating a comfortable environment and dressing mindfully can greatly enhance your meditation experience. A well-prepared space helps you fully focus, making it easier to embrace mindfulness. Let your surroundings inspire and support you as you cultivate a state of calm, clarity, and peace. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture.